Quick Open Rate Booster GIF Trick Free Mini Action Plan, prepared by Benjamin Hubner, is a simple and fast way to increase email open rates by using a subtle, loopable profile GIF that shows your face smiling and nodding in inboxes that support profile images. The idea is straightforward. A moving and recognizable face in the sender profile area naturally pulls attention and builds instant familiarity, helping your emails stand out faster. The entire process takes about 7 minutes. First, take or select a clean front-facing photo with good lighting, a simple background, and a friendly, neutral smile. Next, turn that single image into a short looping video, using a tool like Kling AI or any video editor that supports start and end frames. Upload the same photo as both the starting and ending frame, and use a prompt that asks for a gentle smile and a single nod, with subtle motion only, no camera movement, no background animation, and no facial distortions, so the first and last frame match perfectly for a seamless loop. Generate a few versions and choose the most natural-looking one. Then convert the short MP4 into a GIF using any online converter, keeping it between 2 and 4 seconds and optimizing file size so it loads quickly. Once the GIF is ready, upload it where inboxes pull profile images from. Update your Google account profile image if GIFs are supported, or use a strong still frame there and rely on Gravatar instead. Uploading the GIF to Gravatar for your sending email address is recommended, as many email services reference it. To maximize results, always use the same sender name and email address, avoid changing the profile image too often, and keep the animations subtle rather than flashy. As an optional micro-optimization, you can create 2 GIF versions, one with a small professional nod and another with a slightly more playful micro-smile or eyebrow movement, and choose based on your audience. Beyond the tactic, you're invited to join a private Facebook community for weekly Q&A sessions, implementation sprints, bonus templates, and peer feedback, as well as a WhatsApp group for direct interaction. There's also a featured offer, LaunchJack Dominator, designed to help create optimized affiliate content quickly, including articles and images with new AI-powered features added regularly. Finally, it's smart to bookmark the page or save the PDF so you always have easy access to this bonus strategy.